Just the other day, I held my hand in prayer, and the Lord answered me. Just the other day, I held my hands in prayer, and the Lord answered me. So I'm gonna ask my friend Jesus to teach you every day, Jesus, to guide me every way, to guide my every friend. Jesus, 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 Jesus. Thank you, accompanists. Oh well, here we are, and I got only 10 minutes to showcase what Arthur is. It's just too much. It's not one thing, it's not another, but there is a lot. Let's share about this Marabou. How many of you know the Marabou Stork? No one shows the hand. How many of you know the Marabou Stork? How many of you know when they first came to Kampala? So here we go. Marabou, Marabou, Marabou. What are you? Marabou, Marabou, Marabou. Up in the skies. Marabou, Marabou, Marabou. When did you come to Kampala? Competing with KCCA? Marabou, Marabou, Marabou. What are you? To what depth do you take all this? Take all the trash in, and out you bring white. Marabou, Marabou, Marabou. How can we emulate the Marabou? Taking away all the trash from all our friends and giving them the best they can get out of us. Marabou, Marabou, Marabou. It goes on and on and on. Marabou, Marabou, Marabou. Lastly, let me take you through another journey of some music. Matayo musanvu musanvu. Or Matthew 7:7. Musabe muliwebwa, munonye muliraba, mweyanjule muligulirwawo, asaba webwa, anonya alaba, eyanjula aligulirwa. Ask and you will receive, seek and you will find, knock and the door will be open to you, 'cause everyone who asks will receive, and everyone who seeks will find, and the door will be open to those who knock, knock, knock. Well, I get it from my Bible verse, Bible verse. Well, I get it from my Bible verse, Bible verse. Well, I get it from Matthew 7, verse 7 and 8. Bible, ekitabo muli amagezi. Bible, ekitabo ekiri amagezi. Bible, ekitabo muli ebirambika obulamu bwaffe. Musabe muliweebwa, munoonye muliraba, mweyanjule muligulirwawo, asaba weebwa, anoonya alaba, eyanjula aligulirwawo.
Obugalo bwa chef apart from cooking, what do you do else?
I'm an embodiment of a lot of things. I run a cleaning business under the name Extra Clean Services.
Yes.
We do clean and deep clean.
Okay.
We clean an extra. That's why we are Extra Clean Services.
Okay.
Other than that, I'm into cooking and music. I got a production, rural production. It will be coming up soon.